How's it going, everyone? Today we're doing a quick overview of the Tivo Stream 4K. This is a $49 4K streaming device that's competing directly with the Amazon FireStick 4K and the new Google Chromecast. The one I'm showing you today I picked up at my local Walmart, but it is also available to buy on Tivo's website or Amazon. Looking inside the box, you'll find the Tivo Stream, the remote control, a micro USB cable about 5 foot in length, a power brick, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, and of course the manual. Taking a look at the device, we see it has the HDMI cable attached directly to it, similar to the Chromecast or the older Fire TV dongle. We also see it has 2 USB ports. One is micro USB for power, and the other is USB-C, which allows you to plug in various USB peripherals. So for me, I had this USB-C to full-size USB adapter, and that's going to let me plug in all sorts of different USB stuff, but this would have been really nice if they included something like this in the box. Moving on to the remote control, it's about the same size as the FireStick remote, but you can see it has quite a few more buttons. We see that there is a power and volume control button, which means that this is a universal remote capable of controlling your TV. We also see it has a button for Netflix, Google Assistant, and also Tivo, which that button is going to bring you to the Tivo Stream app that's included with this device, which I'm going to show you. So let me go plug this in and set it up. Alright, now that I have went through the whole setup process, here's a quick look at the home page of the device. It is indeed running Android TV as an operating system, so this may look familiar to anyone who's used an Nvidia Shield TV or Xiaomi Mi Box in the past. One key difference here is that it does have this Tivo Stream app installed, and this app is pretty cool because it takes a variety of content from all the streaming services that you're signed up for, and it puts it all into one app, which is really nice. For me, I mostly use Netflix and Prime Video, so when I first set up this device, I selected those as my services, and now it's giving me movies and shows from both of those platforms. It also has integration with Pluto TV for a whole assortment of live channels that you don't have to pay anything for, and you can actually access the live TV guide from within the app or by pressing the guide button on your remote control. So I want this video to be short and to the point. So if you have any questions about this device, leave it in a comment below. Also check the description of this video for links and technical specs if you're interested in that. Anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.